Now we are going to learn one different requirement here. I'll create one new sheet. I don't want to use that one. I will create one table here. Okay. I will maximize that table bit so that I will have better visualization. Uh, in this table, I just take a ranking I just need for the each of the product line. I just take this product line here. All the product line it has been shown. For this product line, based on the sales, if I take a sales here, you can see, okay. Based on this sales, I need to rank them. Okay, I need to give the ranking to them. Okay, how can we give the ranking? We can create one new measure. Okay, so we'll go to the table measure, new measure. I just say it as a rank. Okay, we have formula called as a rank X. Okay, just open that formula. First it asks for the table. Okay, table to be selected. What do you do when it asks for the table to be selected? Usually what we do, we will be going to, when I zoom, it's taking so much of this one. Table means what we will do, we'll use a sales table like this, right? Sample sales table. If I do like this, if I say comma expression, I would like to calculate total sales. So sum of uh, the sales I need to have, close the bracket, comma. I just wanted to take a sales for all the columns which is there in a sales. Okay, the sales, all the sales columns to be considered, all the rows in a sales column to be considered for a calculation. I say close the bracket, it calculate. Then no need to specify any value, comma, again one more comma. And I would like to rank them in a descending order. Descending order means rank higher to lower. I close the bracket, enter. Okay. I created a rank here. If I click on that rank, just a minute. I select this table. I click on that rank. So it will give 1111. Why? Because in this rank expression, okay, we haven't given anything like entire table will be considered, right? So that it will not be filtered for each of the things. So what we will do, we say all the values, okay, in this particular product line, we consider the entire product line. Okay, close the bracket. Okay, this entire product line to be considered. Okay, not this, just product sample. Okay, entire product line to be considered and calculate for that, and say the descriptive status, one the descriptive way. When I selected all of the product also, you can see it gives the rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if I arrange in a ranking basis, okay, yeah, it given a ranking to the 7 product line. But I may not be having only one thing, like I may be adding some more column also, like here within, like a territory. Okay, each of the territory I have a product lines, right? So in each of the territory I would like to rank them, but it is not ranking based on a territory. Like each of the territory it gives the different ranking for a different product line. So how can we do that one? Like based on a territory I would like to have a ranking. I may be using here again rank. Instead of product line column, we may be using a territory column, right? Territory column. Now enter. Yes. It will give the ranking for the each of the territory. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like each of the territory based ranking has been taken place. You can check that one. If I apply a filter here, one slicer I will add for the territory. Select a territory. The one slicer I have been added. I will add one more slicer here for the product line. So you will understand better now. Okay, when I select the product line like classic cars, okay, it gives a correct 1, 2, 3, 4 based on a territory. It gives the ranking. But when I select the like Japan here, it is not ranking according to like product line, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, it is not ranking according to the product line. It is taking in the previous ranking only. Okay, so how to link them together, like when you have a two or more column to be linked together, then what we have to do, we have to edit that particular formula, rank formula. The how exactly we need to edit, like when we have to give the more than two columns to be specified, we have to go with a formula called as a cross join. We have to go with a cross join formula. Okay, in cross join formula, one of the table will be all the territories we selected, comma. Again, I will select all the product lines selected. Also, we need to have the things, right? We'll close the bracket. We'll close one more bracket to complete that cross join formula. Okay, what we have done, instead of writing one column within a cross join, we have written a two columns. Okay, now if I say enter, again it worked out. Okay, it given a ranking like 1 to 28 according to that. The moment I selected Japan here, again that problem is there. It is not at all changing, right? If I select a planes, okay, it giving a ranking according to the territory, but it is not changing as per my requirement. So only when I selected a territory, okay, for that selected territory, I would like to have a ranking separately, product line ranking to be happen. Okay, how can we do that one? Just we have to go to edit that rank formula again, that rank. Okay, here only all the territory we selected, but only selected territory I would like to rank. So what I will do, I select all selected formula, all selected territory. In this selected territory, we have to rank this product line according to the calculated total sales and arrange it in a descriptive way. This is the entire formula is. Okay, just don't get confused. Like cross join, we have written. In case I would like to write it once again, start with a cross join. Okay, I need to select all the column. Okay, all the column in a product line. Okay, I will not be filter the product line. So product line I selected, comma, and all selected columns of the territory. Okay, selected territory columns. Close the bracket to all selected. Close one more bracket to close that cross join, comma. Now expression I need to calculate sum of sales. I need to calculate sum of sales, comma, we'll close the bracket, comma, for all the sales value, right? Otherwise, it will apply the filter and will not get the correct value. So, all the sales value will complete a formula, close the bracket, okay, comma. I don't have any value, so one more comma I will press and I select a descriptive, close the bracket to complete that one. Okay, here between two comma, nothing I'm selecting values. Then if I say OK, enter or select equal to, we get it done. Right. So now you can see the moment I select Japan, within a Japan it will be ranking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I select hold control and select like APAC, Asia Pacific, like both selected data, it will rank newly. Okay, if I select only shipping, okay, it rank that within that Asia Pacific and Japan, the ships has a 11 and 13 rank. Okay, if I clear all the ranking for this one, okay, it shows the ranking. Means based on a selected values, it will give the ranking. Okay, that's the reason we have been used that all selected formula. All selected formula. For the only selected territory, it will rank according to that. Means the based on a level, we can change or modify the formula here. Okay, this is all about a Rankx and cross-join formula, all selected formulas in a Power BI DAX.